one of the biggest things that's coming out right now is basically a DFM report that we've been doing. It's something that I've been doing for years. Say a customer has their own design team. They want me to be a second set of eyes, something like that. I'll go through the design either on a cursory level, if you just want me to look at DFM, DFA sort of issues. Do you want me to look at your circuits? Do you want me to look at this whole thing? Make sure that you placed it correctly. I coined that a stoplight report a long time ago. And basically it's just we give a nice little green note if it's informative only. This looks good, it was done right. Give a yellow note if, hey, you might want to look into this. You might have some potential issues. Or, hey, this part's hanging off the board edge, you're going to knock it off. You know, this needs a correction before it goes out, and those are obviously the red items. So customers seem to love that. I mean, it's real easy, real clear cut. They can kind of skim through it, hit the items that they want, and that is really building up some speed right now with a few customers because they've had an internal source for a long time. They've been using screaming circuits forever, but screaming circuits is going, okay, you're going into bigger yields. You need to fix these sorts of items. Let's fix them ahead of time.